Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to undo a system restore in Windows 10. So let's say you've done a system restore and you're looking to undo it. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So if you're able to boot into Windows, we're going to try and access the troubleshooting screen. So if you need to do a hard power off 3 times, and if you're unable to boot into Windows, you can try that. Otherwise, if you just open up the start menu, left click on the power icon, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard while left clicking on restart. Once it says please wait, you don't have to hold down on the shift key anymore. Just give it a moment to load up the advanced option recovery menu. Select troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see advanced options. Select advanced options again. Select system restore, use a restore point recorder on your PC to restore Windows. This will work similar if you were booting from the immediate creation utility and you just had to select the target operating system, so you don't necessarily need to be able to boot into Windows in order to access this rollback functionality. Select your user account as well as entering in your password if you have one. Select next. Select whatever the description says restore operation and then type undo. Select next and then select finish to commence the process. Select yes. Select restart. of the system restore has completed successfully. So I just close out of here, and that's about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.